Sanibonani. So today we are doing senza Maths N6 2025. Iphepha leli belibhala ngoNovember. So sizocala question 1. So since sicala question 1 kanjena, question 1 it was given that z is equals to 4 log base e into 2x minus 3y. So in this part, remember ukuthi kuma parameters senzani, we differentiate. It's a differentiation lento esisuke siyenza laphaya. So in this case bathe u1.1 si differentiate, it's a second derivative of z ama parameters in respect to x and y. So in this part, because siqale ubani laphayana u-x, which means sizo differentiate in respect to ubani u-x qala, yabo. So which means sizo differentiate in respect to u-x qala. Remember ukuthi parameters have ama unknown nitrogen. Then since kulo z lo sizom differentiate in terms of x, but ilona uy wethu uzoba yini i-constant, which means ulona uy wethu yini uyi-constant. So singamtreat as any number, which means it's as simple as any unknown. So in that case ke must differentiate leyo part le yaka x, which means so le part le yaka x, which means zoba no 4 lo 4 lo yakumkhipha ezinjalo because it's a constant, multiply by u1 all over u2x minus 3y log e kanje. Remember ukuthi i-differential yaka bani yaka log, it's log 10, but only if ilona ina kanje. So which means into esizoba nayo must differentiate u-log x zoba nobani u1 over x log 10, but manje sino base e. Remember ukuthi laphayana sina invisible base 10, that is why sis represents ulona. That is why laphaya ma u-e, which means laphaya uzofaka ubani usi lo u-e laphaya. So laphayana njengoba ku-x lapha, because we have u-x i1, u-x wonke loya wonke simfaka laphaya, multiply by u1 sesidifferentiate ubani manje for the part le sesidifferentiate lo. But in this case mase differentiate le part le sizoba no 2. U3y asimfaki asenze njengaku N5 what you call this thing konje ngayikhohlwa, implicit uzofaka u-dy. Remember ukuthi sitheni uy wethini i-constant, which means it can be any number, which means laphayana kuzoba ubani u0. So which means ngamanye amagama lento mayiphelele ina kanje. So i-simplification it is not necessary. So which means wena uzoba nento ena kanje u8, uzoba no8 all over u-log e into u2x minus 3 mangabe ufuna uyi-simplify fela, mangabe ufuna uyi-simplify fela. But mase sowuchubekela ku-dz all over u-dx dy kanje. So which means remember ukuthi leya part leya yonke leya part yonke leya it's a constant. Ngamanye amagama kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama nginento ena kanje, u-log e loya log loya e, it's a value. You can punch it on a calculator then ikhiphele i-value. So which means akusi part of i-unknown. Ngamanye amagama sino 1 multiply by ubani u2x minus u3y. So njengoba ku-2x minus 3y yiyo le part le esizoyenzani esizoyi-differentiate, but manje sesi-differentiate in terms of ubani u-y, sesi-differentiate in terms of y, sesi-differentiate u-x angithi lapha sesiqedile ngayo. But manje sesenza i-second derivative sizathatha from here, so differentiate this part layer, but manje in terms of y, which means our x it is a constant manje. It is a constant. Lo x loya uzoba yini? Uzoba a constant. Must differentiate lapha sizoba no x no log no 8 all over u-log e into u-1. Remember u-1 because we are doing power rule. These things can be written as 2x minus 3y into u-1. Yile nto leyo engisuke sengiyisebenzisa laphaya, ileya part leya, so which means soba no-1 into u-2x minus u-3 into u-2. Since sesicedile ukudifferentiate i-power leya, sesidifferentiate kuphi? Lapha ngaphakathi. Senza ini? To the inside, to the inside, to the inside, multiply by u-3 manje. Then you are done. Simplification still ngithathini, it is not necessary. So which means if ubhale kanje ama-answer wakho, if you have this part layer, if you have this part and that part layer for yona yakho, which means you get 2 marks yakho eyamahhala, which may yabona na ukuthi question 2, I mean question 1, it is 3 marks vele kahle kahle. Bese ke u-1.1.2 basifune kwani i-perimeter of z in terms of y. So in this case they made us izinto zibe simple because manje abasayifuni in x and y, sebayifuna as y kuphela, which means our x is a constant. So which means laphayana sizoba nobani? No 4 multiplied by ubani? U1 all over u2x minus u3y log e multiply by u-3. Remember manje ukuthi x wethu uyini? Uyi-constant, which means loya lona simtreat-a as i-number. You know uma differentiate constant, which means kuzoba yini? U-0, which laphayana sizoba nobani? No-3. Ngamanye amagama uma ngabe ufuna ukuyi-simplify further, uzoba no-12 into u2x minus u3y into log e kanje. So which means we are done with u1.1.2 wakho. Simple, 1 mark nakhona. Okay, yeah.